On top agriculture matter, Edo State government don give 57,000 hectares to large and smallholders oil palm investors. Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki say im government don allocate 57,000 hectares of land to smallholders and big oil palm plantation investors for 4 local government areas for the state wey dey under Edo State Oil Palm Program. Obaseki tok dis one wen e dey deliver keynote address for the National Initiative for Sustainable and Climate Smart Oil Palm Holders wey hold for Benin. E tok say the 4 local government areas wey dis ogbonge matter wan for happen na Orionwo, Ovia North East, Onwa West and Owo-Ode local government area. Say dis one na the first phase.
Under our ESOP program, the central bank has committed about 69 billion to support investors who invest in Edo State, which is in line with the federal government's determination to diversify the economy. As at today, I'm pleased to inform you that the Edo State government has allocated over 57,000 hectares of land under the ESOP program in 4 local governments, namely Orionwo, Ovia North East, Onwa West, and Owo-Ode. This is the first phase of our program. We are currently ground truthing for more land in the Ovia axis, and as soon as this is complete, we will commence the second phase of allocation.
Oga Governor kon tok say na for the first phase na dem allocate 25% to smallholders and the balance 75% of the total allocation na to big estate holders. Make una no forget say na low prices of crude oil we witness this year because of the yamayama disease wey oyibo dey call COVID-19 pandemic.
In the first phase, we allocated 25% of global allocation to small holders, while large estate owners were allocated the balance 75% of the total allocation. The purpose is to increase the capacity of the smallholder farmers, improve their livelihoods, but also in turn boost the productivity of the large estate farms.
Oga Chris Okafor, wey represent IDH, come put mouth for the IDH Naija value proposition for the National Initiative for Sustainable and Climate Smart Oil Palm Smallholders. Say dem go fit achieve lasting transformation for the livelihood of smallholders for environmentally friendly and socially responsible manner.
In cocoa, in flowers, in living wage and certification. IDH platforms are actually provide opportunity for stakeholders within an issue to be able to align their interests, provide solutions to challenges of development, and then be able to form coalitions that will be able to create interventions for the benefit of the communities with the smallholders. Smallholders at the apex. In other words, IDH intervention is more or less works in a reverse pyramid where you have the actors at the bottom working towards the economic and social well-being of communities where they operate, and then using the smallholders at the apex of whatever intervention they are doing.
Oga Governor kon tok say Edo State na member of Tropical Forest Alliance and not initiative. Say these bodies carry body collabo with partners from 10 oil-producing countries. Say Edo State government na the only sub-national government wey be member of the body.
Edo State is also a member of the Tropical Forest Alliance and a member of Africa's Palm Oil Initiative, APOI. These bodies bring together partners from 10 oil-producing countries, namely Cameroon, Central African Republic, Cote d'Ivoire, Democratic Republic of Congo, Gabon, Ghana, Liberia, and Republic of Congo and Sierra Leone. It is significant to note that Edo State is the only subnational government that is a member of this body. We are also willing to collaborate with you through our ESOP program to support our smallholder initiative. As you see, the goals are very, very clearly defined because we know that these smallholders are the backbone of our local communities. And traditionally and throughout our history, they have always supported the local economy. We have tried to come back to create offtake for them in the absence of commodity boards. And we believe that working with you, if we just organize the chain properly, the value chain properly, we can help restore the livelihoods back to these farmers and also the social life back to our rural communities. As a government, we will continue to support domestic investment and also support foreign investors to invest in our states and create robust structures that will allow continuity of initiatives and agreed policies even beyond the life of this administration. I wish all of you very successful deliberation and to assure you that Edo State is open for business.
The Ogbonge people wey tanda for dis story na Oga Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki, the coordinator Edo State Oil Palm Program, Churchill Obo, Country Director Sustainable Trade Initiative Cyril Ugu, the Managing Director Edo State Investment Promotion Officer Kelvin Uwaibi, among others. This one na the Ogbonge tori wey TMC TV carry come give una on top agriculture matter, as Edo State government don give 57,000 hectares to large and smallholders oil palm investors. My name na Chidima Anichukwu from Benin.